Hi, my name is Afira and today we will make the block Birds in the Air. Our final block size will be 9 by 9 inches. For this block you have to cut from the light fabric 4 squares of 3 and 7/8 of an inch, 2 of which you are going to cut in half. From the dark fabric 2 squares of 3 and 7/8 of an inch and 1 square of 9 and 7/8 of an inch, which you will cut in half. Take the 2 light squares and cut them in half. You will use 3 of these triangles. Also cut the big dark square in half and you will use 1 triangle. Mark a diagonal line on the remaining light squares. Pin them on the dark squares and sew 2 parallel lines on both sides of the marked line, leaving 1/4 of an inch allowance. After sewing the parallel lines, you will cut exactly on the marked line. You will make a total of 4 half-square triangles. You will use 3 of them. Press towards the darker fabric. After pressing, trim off the ears from all half-square triangles. Put your squares and triangles on the table to form the block. Take the first 2 vertical rows and sew them together, pressing as shown. After that you will connect the second row with a small triangle. Then sew the 2 units together. Finally, connect the 2 large triangles. Your block is done. Subscribe to our channel for more blocks every week. Visit our website to find measurements for different block sizes.